Okay, so the last time you saw the wall was all torn down, all the existing tile, and now we got this backer board. And for those that don't know what backer board is, it's like a concrete type board you buy at Home Depot and Lowe's and people like that. And so we're going to be doing this mural. It's going to cover this whole wall when we're finished. And we don't do installs. Our company, we create this. But because I used to be an installer, I'm just giving you a little short thing how it all works. So anyway, pretty soon you'll see the last part of this video. Paris Group Inc. is the company that does all the murals, ceramic, and porcelain.